Ever wondered how AI tools answer using real documents and data? That technology is called RAG. RAG stands for Retrieval-Augmented Generation. It helps AI models search information before generating answers. Normally, AI models only answer from training data, but RAG allows AI to retrieve fresh information from documents, PDFs, websites, and databases. Here is how it works. First, the AI searches for relevant information. Then it sends that information to the language model. And finally, the AI generates a smarter, more accurate answer. RAG makes AI more accurate, updated, and useful. That is why many modern AI applications use RAG systems today. Companies use RAG for AI chatbots, customer support, document search, and business automation. It is everywhere in enterprise AI. Recruiters are actively looking for developers who understand RAG systems. This is one of the highest demand AI skills in 2025. RAG is becoming the backbone of modern AI applications. Follow for more AI content and subscribe for weekly tutorials.